When you get out with the Dodge Ram 1500, do you hear unusual engine sounds or smell gasoline? Have you seen a reduction in mpg or horsepower soon? If you see any of these, you might need an air filter replacement. But do you know about the best air filter for Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 Hemi? I will tell you what the best air filter for your Dodge Ram is. All you need to do is stay with me and check these favorite filters. Number 1, EcoGuard X83462 Premium Engine Air Filter Dodge Ram. You can try this one if you are planning to change the air filter of your Dodge Ram. This one goes with so many models of Dodge Ram. But before buying, check if this one fits your vehicle or not. Highlighted feature. Designed for Dodge Ram. Sturdy construction materials. Improvement in acceleration. Gears up vehicle performance. Easy installation. Number 2, K&N Engine Air Filter 33 to 2247. It makes the acceleration. It affords a proper fit for so many other vehicles. This filter is the right fit for Dodge Ram 5.7 Hemi too. Highlighted feature. High flow cotton filter. Washable and reusable. Adds 50% more airflow. Increases the horsepower. Number 3, Bosch Automotive Workshop Air Filter 5342WS. In search of air filters for increasing the performance of your truck, you can always rely on Bosch air filters. This specific filter will be the right fit for your Dodge Ram 5.7 Hemi. Highlighted feature. High quality seal for protection. Improves the horsepower. Filters 98% of impure particles. Long-term usability. Easy instructions. Number 4 is Spectre Performance Engine Air Filter SPEHPR 9401. If you want to invest in an air filter and get service from it for a lifetime, you can entirely rely on the Spectre Performance Air Filter. This is great for saving your money because it is reusable. Highlighted feature. Constructed with steel mesh and urethane frame. Faster and smoother acceleration. Increased horsepower. Washable and reusable. Eco-friendly in nature. Low maintenance. Number 5, AEM 28 to 20247 Dry Flow Air Filter. When it comes to increasing the horsepower, we always want something best, and this can be the one for you. The users love this air filter because it has an incredible capacity to increase horsepower. Highlighted feature. Keeps the engine protected. Cleanable and reusable filter. Improved horsepower. Improved throttle response. Works in dusty racing conditions. I hope you can find the best air filter for your vehicle now. Thanks for watching.